The most effective way in which a cat expresses herself is through the variety of sounds it makes. The communication patterns and protocols of cats are way too diverse and different as compared to other pets, but the sound of cats still is the central mode of communication. And being a cat parent, it becomes absolutely necessary that you must know all type of cat sounds and what do they mean. In this video, we are going to look into cat's most direct form of communication, that is, a cat's sound. We are going to look into cat sounds one by one and understand what each of those sounds mean. When you truly understand the sound of a cat and what it means, intuitively your cat will sense that you understand what she means. And this will have a big impact in your relationship with your cat. So without further delay, let us unravel the meaning of various cat sounds. Cat purring, the cat's sound of content. If you ask any cat owner as to why cats purr, most probably they will answer that their cats purr when they are content and happy. And to a great extent, that is definitely the case with domestic cats. But you have to understand that domestic cats are not the only cats out there. Researchers and veterinarians actually don't know why cats purr, but the Library of Congress, looking at various experiments and behavioral tendencies, has speculated certain things which we can understand. What the researchers know for sure is that purring involves respiratory elements like larynx, diaphragm, and other structures of vocalization. Cats that are happy turn to purr a lot, and you can sense it. If you put your hand on a cat's body, you should be able to feel the cat's healing vibration of purrs. Cat's purr is an indication that she is comfortable and you must keep doing what you were doing in her vicinity. On the other side of the spectrum, cats who are sick and dying may also purr. Meowing, the most common sound of a cat. Do I even need to explain what meowing is? Well, I'm just kidding, of course I do. But what I can certainly say is that cat meowing is one of the most common cat sounds that every one of you would have heard sometime or other. Meowing is an indication from the cat that she wants something from you. When this meowing is directed towards the cat owners, it means that the cat is asking you to pet her or feed her. But when the same meowing is directed towards other cats, it can mean a variety of different things depending on the situation. It can be a curious meow, it can be an angry one, or it can even be a meow that is just saying hi to other cats. You need to observe your cat's body language closely because her body language is an indication whether she is content or agitated. In a similar sense, the frequency of a meow is also an indicator of the mindset the cat is in. A longer meow may sometimes indicate sadness or annoyance towards something or somebody. In case of frequent meowing, she may have some kind of tooth or health related problem and may need to be taken to the vet. Cat yowling. Every cat owner has had their cats yowl at some point. If you are not a cat owner, you can be forgiven to think that the sound is coming from a human howling. Because yowling is an intense scream that resembles a lot like a human scream. In most cases, yowling is a preceding signal to a cat fight, followed by hissing and growling, which are all different forms of aggression in cats. However, yowling can sometimes happen due to territorial reasons. For example, a new cat is trying to take over your cat's territory, so your cat offers a yowl directly slapped on her. In some cases, a yowl can also be an indication of pain or discomfort. Cat chirping. Yup, you heard that right. Cats do chirp. Researchers and veterinarians say that chirping is an evolutionary memory stored in a cat's body that stimulates cat chirp to lure and hunt them. Most cat owners report that their cats chirp sitting close to a window and staring at them. But it is reported that some cats chirp when excited. In some cases, I have even heard that some cats chirp when they are in deep sleep. Cat hissing. A cat's hiss, in simple words, is a clear indication that means you need to back off. A cat's hiss sounds a lot like a snake's hiss and is aptly named so. With hissing, what a cat is saying is that I am frightened or upset and you better watch out. The subject of hissing can be anybody: dogs, cats, humans, or anything that is not respecting a cat's boundary and territory. Cat's growling. Growling and hissing often happens when the cat is in defensive or attacking mood. Growling can be perceived as an intense hiss, and most of the time when a cat growls, she is wanting to be left alone. Sometimes it may also mean that the cat is under pain or is feeling tender. Cat trilling. The sound of cat that says hello. If you want to classify this cat sound, you can refer to it in a relative sense as a shorter version of a standard meow. But in some cases, a cat's trill may also mean that your cat is looking for your attention. Trill is generally an expression of happiness. After trilling, if your cat starts to move away and then gives a look back to you, it may be a sign that your cat wants to show you something. Whining or crying. It may happen that sometimes you may hear your cat cry, and this cry is very similar to what dogs do while whining. But in terms of frequency, a cat's cry is all over the place. And a cat crying or whining invariably means that your cat is in distress. In some cases, cats develop crying habits if they need something, but that is very rare. Cats barking. I can bet this is the first time you are hearing this. But you see, to make your dog feel down, cats are willing to go to extremes way beyond than just slapping them. Researchers claim that this may be because of similarities between the feline and canine larynx and other such biological similarities. Cats bleating like a goat. Cats have immense talent, you see. If they want something, don't be surprised if they start bleating like a goat. Just because one day you were feeling kind and decided to feed a bleating goat, and now she is mocking you by bleating like a goat. So, with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you would have liked this video on cat sounds. So you know what I am going to say next. Take care of yourselves and your cat, and I am going to see you in the next one. Goodbye.